Hi, my name is Kumbirai Chimkupete, founder of Umoja Zimbabwe. We are an agri-fintech startup passionate about capacitating rural and small-scale agriculture, including the smallholder farmers who work hard every day to contribute to the global food basket. Agriculture economic exclusion cost Africa an annual 48 billion USD in lost productivity. Closer to home, about 4.6 million hectares of Zimbabwe's farmland is underutilized. 75% of Zimbabwe's farming communities is made up of rural smallholder farmers, yet only 15% of them have access to formal financial institutions. Why is this? After the land reform program, newly settled farmers who are probably the generation of my grandparents now were given offer letters by government of Zimbabwe, which justifiably banks are not willing to take up as collateral. Limited information, lack of credit history, and financial identities on the smallholder farmer profile makes them a high-risk investment to lenders. Because of the distance between them, financial service providers face high resource constraints to develop, deploy, and monitor financial products that meet the needs of smallholder farmers. As a result, banks and lending institutions rarely approve loans to smallholder farmers, which does a disservice for both lenders and borrowers. The slow and poor uptake of modern technologies that can be used to bridge this gap and foster capacity building does not only justify the average yield of 1.39 tons per hectare recorded in the last year, but also taps into a recurring food insecurity situation and an agriculture that is under threat. Hitting the core by our government made through the strategy document NDS-1, which under Chapter 4, Section 311 stresses the need to upscale innovation and modernization of agriculture through ICTs. Our design and implementation since we began has been centered on that clarion core. We have built a platform that utilizes advanced machine learning algorithms and multispectral satellite imagery to collect and process data on fields, crops, and farmers. We aggregate this information into actionable insights and generate informed risk assessments to better advise both the farmer and the lender on the future of investment net. The web application leverages our synergy with financiers, insurers, farmers, and off-takers to foster inclusion of the excluded. Through these machine-based insights derived from our data collection, lenders are able to make decisions quicker as well as to eliminate onboarding corruption. With a special recognition for the need of the inclusivity of women who are normally deemed unscorable by the present-day lending framework and the youth who until the next land reform program won't be able to expressly own land, our system revolutionizes land ownership and access to finance. Lenders and insurers, amongst other things, can control risk at every stage of agricultural production and save hundreds of hours of manual work without leaving their office, thereby motivating future lending using alternate data. Our digital assets increase clients' return on investment, with the scope not limited to automated loan management, credit scoring, yield prediction, and insurance. We estimate a total available market of 560,000 rural smallholder farmers, and assuming the resource utilized on our go-to-market strategy, our serviceable obtainable market is 86,400 farmers in 3 years, resulting in a 669,600 revenue turnover. Using this go-to-market strategy, we plan to convert 35% of our freemium customers to paying customers and as well generate financial identities for unbanked farmers. As a business model, financiers pay a yearly subscription fee and we get a commission on every loan disbursed through our platform. Farm seekers also pay access fee and we get commission on every lease or sale that we facilitate. This is a recurring business model and hence you can see how sustainable it will be given people who always want to eat. We currently house 9,700 smallholder farmers on our database. We are associate members to the Zimbabwe Association Microfinance Institution, which is the largest bank of microlenders in Zimbabwe. We are the most used and trusted access to farmland platform in Zimbabwe with press coverage from reputable major houses. We help lenders drive up transaction velocity through quicker lending decisioning and actionable insights. We stand out because we are proud service providers of a fully digital ecosystem from land sourcing to live post-harvest, and we do this in a very cost-effective manner. A sneak peek into our future prospects presents a blockchain-based commodity and farmland exchange marketplace which will be launched later this year. With where we are at the moment and reflecting on our past journey, we are at the crossroads where our bootstrap funding will not be able to sustain us, and that's why we ask for an investment of 100,000 USD with a willingness to give up 7% stake in our business. This will be channeled towards IT infrastructure, further R&D, and marketing, just to name a few. We are trusted by organizations that are making impact worldwide and at home. We pride ourselves in being the future as we are mainly led by a diverse young founding team. This is just a quick demonstration of the system. With this, we thank you.